Kia ora, koroku o Hanson Tōku Ingoa, and welcome back to the Te Reo for Life series. Today we're going to talk about pronouns. Pronouns are the base of all rerenga kōrero in Māori. They help you indicate who is speaking and who has been spoken about, such as me, you, him, her, them, us, ahau. Also in Māori there is no gender, so him and her have the same term, which is called ia. When you're trying to identify the right pronoun to use, always remember to identify the speaker and the listener. Ako ki ahau. Tētahi pronoun, first pronoun, is o. So that's me, I'm referring to me. O ahau ri te tonu, we're talking to you. So o. Then the next one is koe. Koe is you. So that's me speaking to you. And then ia is when we're talking about someone who's not in the conversation, one person who is standing off to the side. So they're not part of our conversation, it's only one person, we're talking about them, so we use the term ia. Then māua. So māua is me and a friend, so just two of us, and I'm talking about us two to you. Tāua is where we are talking to someone else, about someone else, and it's you and I together. So tāua is you and I, not that other person. Kōrua is when I'm talking to you and your friend. So you two together is kōrua, not me, you two. Mātou is when it's me and my friends. So more than one person, so it could be 3, 4, 5, or even our whānau. That is mātou, so it's me and my friends, and we're talking to you. Rātou is when you and I are talking, and we're talking about a group of people that are not part of our group. So more than 2 people, rātou. So that's a group of people, rātou. Them, not us. Rāua is when it's just 2 people that we're talking about. They're away from us. You and I are talking, but we're talking about 2 people away from us, rāua. Koutou, that's when I'm talking to you and your friends. So more than 2 people, a group of you, an audience, koutou. That's me talking to you. And then last, tātou. So tātou is all of us. That's all of us together. Myself, you listening, and other people in the room or in the conversation. Tātou is all of us. Well, that's our lesson for today. Thank you for being with me. As always, ko te akoranga o tēnei rā. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can share more of this wonderful series with me. Ka kite anō.